Patrick at Pals, Trailblazers. You know, Kendall, something we don't talk a lot about is catalytic converters, and we do a lot of them on these cars.
Oh yeah.
What are we doing to this one?
This one we are replacing the whole entire exhaust system. One, it's rusted pretty bad, so we're going to go ahead and take care of the whole system. But the cat is clogged on this one, so we're going to go ahead and knock that out so the engine can run properly.
Take the catalytic converter out as well. And folks, you know, we do one of these a week as a rule. Of course, we live in the south, but a lot of these cars come from the north. And you can see the corrosion underneath here. It's significant. And so these parts get corroded and they stop working the way that they're supposed to. There's the oxygen sensor. There's the catalytic converter. If you've got an exhaust problem or your vehicle feels like it doesn't have power, it could be from the catalytic converter being clogged up or the muffler system being clogged up. Bring it into Pals, we'll diagnose it for you, and we'll get it back on the road. See you soon.